What if you could start freelancing today without any portfolio, without spending months learning a skill, and without ever speaking to a client face to face? Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not, because in 2025, AI is completely changing how freelancing works across Europe. Freelancers in the UK, Germany, and Netherlands are already using tools like ChatGPT, Canva AI, and Pictory to earn their first €500 online without being experts. And today, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step method they're using so you can do the same, even if you're starting from scratch. Let's be real. Freelancing used to mean years of learning graphic design, copywriting, or web development, but not anymore. Let's say you want to offer content writing on Fiverr, but you've never written professionally before. Here's what people are doing. They use ChatGPT to generate entire blog posts, add copies, or emails. But they don't stop there. They refine the output, add personal tone, and deliver high-value work in a fraction of the time. Prompt example: write a 300-word blog post about ecotourism in Europe with a friendly and persuasive tone. Now, to make your gig stand out, you use Canva AI to create branded graphics or thumbnails for that blog, which adds extra value. Next, if the client wants the blog turned into a short video, no problem. Open Pictory AI, paste the blog, and it auto-generates a full YouTube-style video with stock clips and captions. You've now become a full-stack freelancer, using AI as your silent partner. Here's the real kicker: you don't need to work for hours. You just need systems. You can take on 3 to 5 small projects a week and easily earn €300–500 a month and scale from there. This isn't theory. Thousands of AI-powered freelancers in Europe are already doing this, and the barrier to entry has never been lower. So if you're ready to start your freelancing journey the smart way, not the hard way, start with AI. Pick one tool, master one gig, deliver value fast. And remember, you don't need to be perfect, you just need to begin. Drop a comment below and tell me, which AI tool would you start freelancing with today? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because here at Next Gen AI Hustle, we bring you weekly guides to turn AI into real income.